Upon entering the vehicle, you have your handy tablet here. You can go through. This will move the partition up and down. So that operates your partition. Along here you have your radio, your Bluetooth, your TVs, and all those settings. Here's all your lighting. You can turn your lighting front down, up. You slide around, change the lighting for you. We're going to go back to the home. Go back to your climate control. This is for your air conditioning in the rear. This only operates when the vehicle is running, which it's not running, because if it's running, this ignition light will be lit. Go to your powers. All this is showing you is what your power is going on. This is the vehicle plugged in. That's your shore power. That's your house battery. That's the battery that operates everything in the back. And that's really all there is to know with this setting here.